Groovy Space, and today we are here in Thomastown, Victoria 3074. We got an upstairs unit on the first floor, and this is the cargo lift here. Okay. And you can park almost 10 steps away from the cargo lift. And the unit is just here down this corridor. So cargo lift round the corner, walk here, and here is the unit. The unit is on the 5th door on the left of this corridor. Upstairs, first floor, and the size of this unit is 2 meter wide, 3.5 meter deep, and 3 meter high. Okay, we start with this right on remote control Lamborghini Aventor. It's not tested at all. Nothing is tested in this unit. Here's a remote control. We can't test it. Doesn't seem to have any power. Not sure it's supposed to power up or not. It's a bicycle here, kids bike, and we got two one bookcase and two door glass display unit up there. Okay, and we got a Tonka toy. I think, I'm not sure the rest. It's John Deere here. Small knickknacks here. Some baby stuff. Dining chair here. One dining chair. There's a few more inside there. Here's a display unit. The glass is still intact. Okay, we're going to go into the unit. Here's the unit. 3.5 meter deep, 2 meter wide, and 3 meter high. So there is one dining chair up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dining chairs. Oh, 6. Yep, altogether 6. And there's 6 dining chairs. This is a TV entertainment unit. And there's 2 couch here. One looks like a 3-seater, one looks like a 2-seater. Nothing is tested in this unit. One sold everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind, and there's no warranty or guarantee on any of these goods, as we will not test any of the stuff. Vacuum cleaner, toys, baby chair, and here's the entertainment unit. Okay. It's a bed head. Okay. And we got a Daewoo fridge here from the model number FRM405. Believe this will be a 405 liter fridge. Got 2 bedside table here, 1 Breville microwave oven. Okay. More toys here. Right behind, it's a single seater. No, it's a washing machine. Yep. It's not a single seater. It's a top loader Fisher and Paykel washing machine. Okay, here's a slab for the bed, I believe. Okay, some more toys in this box. And right here is the dining table behind this mattress. Okay. And but look at this size of the mattress, is either a double or a queen. Okay. I can't see where's the legs for the table, the dining table. It could be inside here or not. Not sure. Once again, this is in Thomastown, Victoria 3074. A reminder, once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. And there's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit and do not leave anything behind, we'll refund you back the $250 cash only deposit. Yes, you can get this unit real cheap with this Lamborghini thrown in. Thank you.